Hi, I'm Jordan from Motor Match Stafford, and this is the Volkswagen Polo Match, and it is a 1.2 petrol manual. Now, because this car is a Motor Match approved vehicle, it means it comes with 30 days warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one comes first. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about this car, then you can give us a call on 01785 899 474. We're getting on into the video now. You can see that it comes with a daytime running lights that run on your front, really adding to the high-tech look of this car. You've got the chrome badging on the Volkswagen badge on the front, proudly presenting that is part of the Volkswagen brand. Now you can see down here that it goes perfectly with the grey exterior colouring. You've got your black window surround, breaking up the grey and really making it that much more eye-catching. This car also comes with 15-inch Castille alloy wheels in a silver finish, really adding to the whole overall look of the car and making it that much more unmissable. Now going into the rear seats, you can see they're made out of this full black cloth with a grey trim running down the middle. It really does add for such a comfortable looking car. There's also loads of room available for legroom, so if you're quite tall you won't have to worry about trying to fit in this vehicle. Going around to the rear of the car now, and you can see how compact it really is, but don't let that fool you because there's still loads of room available in the boot. So I'll show you the boot now. You can see how spacious it really is. This will be perfect when going away on holiday, as you can fit luggage easily in this car, but the rear seats do also fold forward to create an extended boot, which gives you that much more option of space. This car does also come with two underboot storages. So the first one is great for valuable possessions that you don't want on show at all, but you can also lift up the boot flooring again, and it shows where you can keep a spare tyre or any other accessories that you may need in case of an emergency. And they are both neatly stored underneath this boot flooring. A little bit more information about this car. It has only had 2 previous owners, and as I walk around you can see they have taken amazing care of it. But showing you some of the interior features as well now, you can see you've got the chrome vent surrounds that run across your dashboard and also on your centre console. And then the rear seats are made out of that full black cloth again, with that grey dynamic trim that runs down the middle. Not only is this car compact but also fantastic, it would be great as a first car or as a city car, as it is got some amazing features. So I'm going to show you some of them features now. You can see on your driver's side that you've got all electric window controls as well as a lock and unlock mechanism. It also comes with a driver's display, which shows that the car has done 40,224 miles. So there's plenty of miles left for this car to do. It is also parallel to your main infotainment system, where you've got FM and AM radio stations to choose from. You've also got media, where you've got aux and CD, and you can also do the main menu settings, so you can really control all of this car to best suit you. Now down here you can see I'm adjusting the airflow as well as vent control, so it really does tailor the climate control and climate system to me and my passengers. Down here you can see you've got your aux and 12-volt charging point to easily connect your devices. So that was the Volkswagen Polo Match, which is now available at Motor Match Stafford. As it is a Motor Match approved vehicle, it does come with 30 days warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one comes first. If you like the look of this car and you would like to find out a little bit more about it, then you can give us a call on 01785 899 474.